All right, so for this question, where it says the graph shows a height in feet of a soccer ball, um, t seconds after it is kicked into the air, what is the meaning of the 0.170 in the context of this problem? So where is 170 on the graph? When we look at the axes, we can see that time is measured on the x-axis and height is on the y-axis. And so that 0.170, we know that our x is 1 and our y is 70. So that would mean that after 1 second after the ball was kicked, it has a height of 70 feet. So that's what that means. The second thing we're asked to respond to for this question is to say what is the maximum value of the function. And if we go back to when we looked at different characteristics of functions, we said that the maximum or the highest point on the graph is going to be the maximum value. So in this case, the highest point is a point 2.51, 102.5. And what that means in this context is that it's the maximum point on the graph, it's the maximum value, and it means that the ball reached its maximum height or highest point in 2.5 seconds, and that was 102.5 feet. The last question that we had to answer for this question, it says, at what time is the ball on the ground? And so if we're thinking about height and on the ground means that the height is 0 feet. So when is the graph showing 0 feet? That is only happening at 5 seconds. So we can see that the ball is on the ground when the height is 0 feet, and in this case, this occurs 5 seconds on the graph.